So this is just the last set that I did. The thumb was actually one of my favorite fingers because it was just so different. Like, I think I might do a set that's like specifically like that with the rhinestones. So here's like, just aesthetic, I guess. This is what the other hand looked like. I like to do creative things. Yeah. I don't like things to be the same, so that's why all my nails look different. So I'm just showing that off. So this is the glue that I used to glue on the nails. The nail came off, and here's me gluing the nail back on. So I'm not gonna lie, throughout the week, the nails do come off during the days, but as you're gonna be able to see, with this glue, it's just a quick fix, and tap 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 right there, it's back on. So that is one of the cons. Other than that being like the con, that the nails come off on their own, I can't really think of like many other cons because it's just a quick fix. I love that it doesn't break. That's definitely a pro. Like, it doesn't break unevenly, and it comes clean off. Sometimes you might be doing something, you tap the nail a little too hard and it come off. So you could keep the stuff on hand, the glue. And yeah, so that's all the nails that came off, and these are my natural nails. These are just a couple of old sets that I actually done. Like, some of these sets actually date back to last year, and as you can see, like, I can either just press them back on and glue them back on, or I could just like upgrade them and work on my skills and craft and stuff. So that's definitely a pro as well. Like, they come clean off and you could just put them back on, or you could design them. Here's just a little bit more examples of how simple and easy it is. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you do your own nails. Have a good job.